What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video, I'm actually a little bit late to the trend, but nonetheless, I have not tried it and I want to try it. And today we're filming the Nature's Cereal. Nature's Cereal. Guys, I have not tried it, but I had seen it all over TikTok and I still continue to see it. So let's go to the kitchen and, I was gonna say cook it up, but you don't cook it. Let's go to the kitchen and cut up everything that we need to try the Nature's Cereal. So I'll see y'all in the kitchen. Alrighty guys, so I have my ingredients. I did have blueberries, but I don't know what happened to them. So we have pomegranate, kiwi, strawberries, coconut water. Like I said, I did have blueberries, but I guess someone ate them. I'm not sure, but we about to get started. Let me put y'all down. So these ones are already washed and everything. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is just like cut the ends of it off. So we're gonna put those there. And we're gonna cut the ends of this one. I want to do them into like tiny small pieces. So I'm just gonna cut this in fours. Oops. And, you know, I seen in the videos, you can literally put whatever you want on it. I tried to look for dragon fruit, but I couldn't find any. So, this we'll just have to do. Oh, I think this is enough. So, we're just going to go with this amount. I might eat the other one. And then we're going to cut this. That's not gonna work. I do have a peeler, but I'm honestly too lazy to find it and whatnot. So we're just gonna do this. So I think that should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Just go ahead and put this aside, and then I don't know how to open this. Don't come after me. I just don't know how to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna put the plate right here so I can take these things out. Oops. It is actually harder than I thought. Like taking these little pomegranates out. I should have just tried to find. I was trying to look for the little cup that's already like they're already prepared, but I couldn't find any. I don't know if that's enough. That was like literally half of the pomegranate, but I think that should be good. At least for the video. Okay, so now the next thing, actually, let me go ahead and throw this away, because we want to have a clean area. Put that there. I only used half of it because it looks like this already. Next thing you want to do is get some ice. I have like a big thing of ice here. So it says to go ahead and put a few cubes of ice in there. I think that should be good. Throw a little few more. I love munching on ice. Alrighty. Now now that we have everything and it looks like this, we're gonna go ahead and add some coconut water. So I'm just gonna shake this a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. There's a little piece of trash in here from the pomegranate. And then, oh, here goes another one. I'm gonna grab one of my little wooden spoons, mix everything up. This actually looks good. Check that out. This actually looks good. Whoops. But this is basically what it looks like. Okay, perfect. Now is the taste test. I'm gonna try to get like a little bit of everything if these ice cubes let me. Or here, get some of that juice and try it. Let me know what it tastes like. Let's see. Okay, so this is a little bit of everything. Bruh. Oh my god. Honestly, the ice cubes I feel like would make a big difference, because coconut water, I've tried it warm, it's not the business, but oh my lord, these ice cubes literally make a big difference. Imagine a little bit of raspberries, mango, dragon fruit. I can actually eat this. All day. And I was looking at the videos and they said that it gives you like energy and like makes you feel good and all that stuff throughout the day. So I'm actually pretty excited. And people were saying like it's a hit or a miss, because you know, you either like coconut water or you don't. But you can't even taste the coconut water because of all the fruit and everything. So it's not just like penetrating with coconut water. Definitely put pomegranate in it because it gives it like a sweet, it gives it like a sweet taste. So overall, I give this from a 1 to a 10. Actually, honestly, I give it a 10. I could eat this every day for breakfast, and especially if it's gonna give me like natural energy, make me feel good and everything, I could do that. It is good. Whoever invented this, great job, because this is amazing. Yep, I'm literally almost done. Oh my god, I spilled it. Honestly, if you guys haven't tried it, I recommend that you guys try it. Just go out, maybe buy some that are already like peeled, I guess you can say, like some that are already like in like the little containers or whatnot. But if you don't care, then just do it that way. It's not that hard to peel it, but it can get a little bit annoying. Oh no, guys, it was really good. I'm gonna finish this off. Like I said, I give it a 10. If you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you do not miss another video. And other than that, guys, it's been your girl Jess, and I'm out. Peace.